Welcome back to my channel. It's Franklin May here. It's been a very long time we met on this channel. I know you miss me, I miss you too. I've been off for some time, but I'm here with different approach, different style that will really help you as a bass player, whether a beginner or an intermediate or even an advanced player. Okay, so I'll be doing a lot of bass lessons. I'll be doing covers. I'll be doing covers with some musicians and a whole lot on this channel. Okay, so just enjoy what I put here. I know even if it is not a bass lesson, you will learn a lot from whatever we posted on this channel. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, comment on this video, and give me a like at the end of the video if you like it. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's look at the song progression, the bass lines, and any other thing I did in the lesson, okay, in the video. Okay, so first of all, let's look at the key and the progression of the song. Okay, so the key of the song is A. Okay, A major, and we will have to look at the intro of the song. It might help you sometime, okay, at whether at your choir rehearsal or grooving a session with other band members. Okay, so let's look at the intro of the song. Okay, so the intro goes like this. This is A. Okay, so I started by playing. Okay, fa mi re mi fa do. Okay, fa mi re mi fa do. Then fa mi re mi do re la. Fa mi re mi fa do. Fa mi re mi do re la. Then fa mi re mi fa do. Then la so mi. Okay, fa mi re mi fa do. Fa mi re mi do re la. Fa mi re mi fa do. La, so, mi, then mi, fa, mi, re, do. That's the first part. Okay, then the other band members came in and it went the same way. Fa, mi, re, mi, fa, do. Fa, mi, re, mi, do, re, la. Fa, mi, re, mi, fa, do. Then la, so, mi, fa, mi, re, do. Then the main punches came. Do, re, mi, fa, do, re, fa, so. Then mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, mi. Then so, la, ti, do, so, do. You get it? So that's it. So the punches again. Do, re, mi, fa, do, re, fa, so. Mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, mi. Then so, la, ti, do, so, do. Okay, so that's the intro. Okay, let me take it again. Fa mi re mi fa do, fa mi re mi do re la, fa mi re mi fa do, la so mi fa mi re do, fa mi re mi fa do, fa mi re mi do re la, fa mi re mi fa do, la so mi fa mi re do. Then do re mi do re mi fa do re fa so fa mi re mi. Then so la ti do so do. Then the main song, it went down to the main song like this. This is the progression of the song. He can do it better for you, far more than you can think that he will ever do. So this is it. Okay, it's very simple. Fa, he can do fa, so, mi, so, la, then re, so, do. This is the progression. Then I started by grooving. So when the song was about to start, I did a very simple passing note to begin with the song. I played re, mi, re, do, then so, do, la, so, re, mi, re, do, so, do, la, so, before I went to fa. Okay, re, mi, re, do, so, do, la, so. So when you are starting to groove any praise song, you can use this simple groove over here. Okay, re mi re di, or so re mi re do or re mi re di. You can play it either way. Re mi re do or re mi re di. Then so to la so. Okay. Then you start by grooving. Okay, even when you are playing the song and then it ends at either do or so. Okay, to begin with again, you can just play the simple passing note to start with your root notes. Okay. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so back to the main bass lines. This is what I played. Okay, I played. This is how I did it. Okay. Okay. From fa I played. Fa do fa. He can do. Then he can do. Okay, so this is it. On fa I played fa do fa, fa, fa. Okay, fa do fa, fa do. Then it octave. Okay, fa do fa, fa do fa, fa fa. Then when I went to so I played so re so. Okay, so re so, so re so. Then I went to mi. I did the passing note to the mi. So far on the mi is the same thing. I played mi ti mi, mi ti mi, mi ti, mi ti mi, mi mi. Then when I was coming to the la, I played so. So la 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 re mi la. Okay, so la 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 re mi la. So this is a simple shape that you can apply on every note. Okay, just get the shape, the shape. So la 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 re mi la. Okay, so this is how I played it. Okay, on the la. So he can do. Then I went to re. When I was playing the re, I had a lot of time here, so I played re mi fa so re mi fa. Then because I was linking it to the so re mi fa, then so ti re so. When I go to the so I played so ti re so. Then so ti, back to do, so ti. Then I did an octave movement from do to mi, then back to the do. Okay, do re mi re do. Okay, so this is it. It's very simple. So fa do fa, fa. So re so, then mi ti mi, mi. So la 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 re mi la. Then re mi fa, so ti re so. Then do na. Then when it was starting again from he can do it, I started do re mi, just a passing note to the fa because it starts from a fa. So do re mi da 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 da. This time around I didn't play the bass line. I just played mi. Then I played so do ti, so la 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 re mi la, because I had a lot of time, because I didn't play the bass line on the mi. I played so do ti so la 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 re mi la. Then I played the re again. Re mi fa la so ti re. Then octave again. Okay. Hear the Lord, is there anything you are doing? It's the same thing, okay, on the second verse, okay. So you have to just some simple bass lines that I wanted to teach you. Okay, it's very simple. So now you know a bass line. I've taught you about a simple passing note to begin with any root note when starting with a song. Okay, re mi re do so tall so. Then I've also taught you an intro, and I've taught you some bass lines. So the so la 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 re mi la. Okay, if I want to play on any note, okay, I can use the shape as a bass line on any note. Okay, so when I'm playing a do note or a one note, I can play. I can actually play. Okay, fa do fa so do. If I'm playing a so, I can play fa so fa so do re so. Okay, it's a bass line that you can use on any praise song. So this, in a nutshell, is what I did in the cover. Okay, so you can learn a lot from here, and I hope you can be applying it in any praise that you come across. It's very simple, and I know you all learned a lot from this video. Okay, so subscribe, like, comment, and share this video if you like it. So we had a lesson here. Probably the next week I'll be uploading another lesson here. Have a good day and enjoy your day. Bye.